Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the unit number 5 of science, that is chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Formation and breaking of chemical compound is called chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, new substances are formed which are different from starting. The starting substance, that is calcium carbonate, decompose to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. In this reaction, calcium carbonate, that is limestone, is reactant, while the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are the products. So, chemical reactions are involved in many reactions, just like digestion, respiration, photosynthesis, and side by side in industries for the manufacture of different synthetic products like glass, cement, fertilizers, etc. etc. Now, the characteristics of chemical reactions, that how we will know that the chemical reaction occur. The chemical reaction is completed, so, by evolution of a gas, if a gas is released, formation of VPT, formation of precipitate, change in color, change in temperature, and change in state. Now, the law of conservation of mass. This law was put forward by a French chemist named Lavoisier in 1785. What is the statement of this law? Mass can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. Its mean mass of reactant will be equal to mass of product. One of the example of law of conservation of mass is iron combined with oxygen. It will give us iron oxide, which is rust. So here iron combined with oxygen, so it gain mass. And this mass is the mass of oxygen. Now, balancing of chemical equation. How we will balance the chemical equation? So, according to above law, that is law of conservation of mass, mass can neither be created nor destroyed. So, the number of atoms of each element must be equal on both sides of chemical equation. So, we have to balance the elements on both sides of reaction. So, balancing of chemical equation occur stepwise. First step is to write the correct formula of compound, molecule or element. After that, the second step is to count the number of atoms of each element on both sides. Here carbon is 1. Here carbon is 1. Reactants, products. Here hydrogen is 4. Hydrogen 2. Oxygen 2. Oxygen 3. Next step is to work with one element at a time. We have to work with one element. So here first we will balance the carbon, which is already balanced. 1, 1. No need of any balancing. Here hydrogen is 4 and here is 2. So we will add 2 in coefficient to complete the hydrogen atoms on both sides. 4 hydrogen coefficient combined with 2. 2 2s are 4. So here hydrogen are 4 while here hydrogen are also 4. Now oxygen. Oxygen is 2. Here oxygen is 3. But now oxygen is not 3. 2 oxygen are there while 2 oxygen are there. So it becomes 4. While here it is 2. So we will add 2 coefficient with oxygen to make it 4. Now the chemical equation is balanced. Now you have to balance this chemical equation NH3 plus O2 NO plus H2O and write the correct answer in the comment. Types of chemical reactions. So there are 4 types of chemical reactions: addition, called as synthesis reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. So, what is addition reaction? In this reaction, two or more substances combine to form one product. Sulfur and oxygen combine to form SO2. Decomposition reaction. In this reaction, one reactant break to form two products. So here calcium carbonate, but this reaction occurs in the presence of heat. Calcium carbonate decomposed to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Potassium chlorate decomposed to give potassium chloride plus oxygen. This reaction is endothermic because it need heat. The heat is absorbed in this reaction. The third one is single displacement reaction. In single displacement reaction, more reactive element that is zinc replaces a less reactive element that is hydrogen. So it will form zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. While in double displacement reaction, the exchange of ions occurs between two compounds, sodium combined with chlorine while hydrogen combined with hydroxyl. So it forms H2O and NaCl. Now the energy changes in chemical reactions. Heat evolved or absorbed during a chemical reaction is called heat of reaction. Constant body temperature is 37 degrees C. There are two types of reaction with respect to energy changes, that is endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Endothermic, endo means inside while therm means heat. So the endothermic reaction are those reactions in which heat is absorbed from the surroundings. Heat is absorbed from the surroundings. So in this way temperature drops means temperature of surrounding drops and we absorb heat in endothermic reaction, while in exothermic reaction, exo mean outside, therm mean heat, so it released heat, so the temperature of surrounding increases. Examples of endothermic reaction is potassium chlorate combined with heat, it will form potassium chloride plus oxygen. While the example of exothermic reaction is methane combined with oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide, water, and heat. That is burning of natural gas. In this reaction, heat is released. In exothermic reaction, heat is released, while in endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. Now, the importance of exothermic reactions. So, exothermic reactions are very important in our daily life. First of all, respiration. The heat released in respiration is not only important for keeping us warm, but it also provides energy. Combustion of wood, charcoal, and natural gas all are examples of exothermic reactions, while burning of fuels are also the examples of exothermic reactions, which is used for cooking food, running vehicles, and operating factories. This is the end of this chapter. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Tata, bye bye.